So all the enrolled students, latest classes are uploaded. Not enrolled students, you have to watch it once. Right after the class is over, the class will be made private and given it to the enrolled students only. Right now, some important key points we will revisit. Key points revisited. What are all the concepts that we discussed? Morning we discussed average is nothing but the middle value. Average is nothing but the middle value if the series is in AP. First key point. We have done close to 10 problems based upon this key point. What is the next key point that we discussed? Variable and its reciprocal. Minimum value is 2 if xc is greater than or equivalent to 1. Variable and its reciprocal. Maximum value is -2 if xc is less than or equivalent to -1. Second key point. Third key point. Sum is constant. Sum is constant. Product will be maximum when the variables are equal. Product will be maximum when the variables are equal. When the sum is constant, product will be maximum when the variables are equal. Fourth one, sum will be minimum. Sum will be minimum when the product is constant. When the product is constant and the variables are equal. And the variables are equal. Another important concept that we discussed is, today's entire class is driven on these key points. Quartile mean or a root mean square is always greater than or equivalent to AM greater than or equivalent to GM greater than or equivalent to HM. QM is quartile mean. Quartile mean greater than or equivalent to arithmetic mean, greater than or equivalent to geometric mean, greater than or equivalent to harmonic mean. What is the sixth key point which we discussed? 1 by 2 equivalent to 2 by 4 equivalent to 3 by 6. It is nothing but 1 plus 2 plus 3 divided by 2 plus 4 plus 6, or it is also nothing but the square root of 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square divided by 2 square plus 4 square plus 6 square. These are the 6 key points morning we discussed. Variable and its reciprocal. Minimum value is 2 for a positive real number. Some constant product maximum, some minimum product constant. Another 7th key point. A power P, B power Q, C power R. This entire expression is maximum only when A by P equivalent to B by Q equivalent to C by R and A plus B plus C is constant. And A plus B plus C is constant. Remember, all the problems whatever we are doing under maxima and minima, this holds good only for positive real numbers. Only holds good for positive real numbers. All the maxima and minima related problems holds good only for positive real numbers. So entire class we will do some more advanced level questions. These are the 6 key points whatever we discussed. Variable and its reciprocal. Minimum value is 2, some constant product maximum, some minimum product constant. Quartile mean greater than or equivalent to AM greater than or equivalent to GM greater than or equivalent to HM. A power P, B power Q, C power R is maximum when A by P equivalent to B by Q equivalent to C by R. To all the students, kindly take a screenshot of this. Kindly take a screenshot of this. This will be a reference for you for any maxima minima related problems using progressions. Kindly take a screenshot of this. I will pause this slide for 10 seconds so that each and every student can take a screenshot of this. This slide contains every important key point that can be used to solve maxima and minima related problems using these key points. Kindly take a screenshot of this. Now we will start the class. I hope you have taken. Now we will start. The first problem, I'll just repeat the morning one. If xyz If x, y, z and w are positive real numbers, okay, what is x plus y plus z plus w equivalent to 28? Find the maximum value of x square, y cube, z power 4, w power 5. Method 1. Method 1 is ratio of the base to the power should be constant, x by 2 equivalent to y by 3 equivalent to z by 4 equivalent to w by 5, which is nothing but k. X plus y plus z plus w is given as 28. So x will become 2k, y will become 3k, z will become 4k, w will become 5k equivalent to 28. So it is nothing but 14k equivalent to 28. K value is 2. If k value is 2, x is nothing but 4, y is nothing but 6, z is nothing but 4 2s are 8, w is nothing but 10. So answer is nothing but 4 square into 6 cube into 8 power 4 into 10 cube into 10 cube. This is the maximum value of this expression using the concept a power p, b power q, c power r is constant when the sum of the bases is constant and the ratio of the base to power is same. So x by 2 equivalent to y by 3 equivalent to z by 4 equivalent to k. This is the concept. This is a mathematical approach. This is a mathematical approach. Answer is 4 square into 6 cube into 8 power 4 into 10 cube. This is the answer. Now directly method number 2. This is method number 1. I hope it is clear. Method number 2. Method number 2 is nothing but a logical approach. X square, y cube, z power 4, w power 5. X is the value of x I have to give. Assume the powers are chocolates. 2x. I have to give 2 chocolates out of 5, 9, 14. Out of 14 chocolates. But actually according to the question there are 28 chocolates. So x is 4. Y is, I have to give actually 3 chocolates out of 14 chocolates into 28, which is 6. Z, I have to give actually 4 chocolates out of 14 chocolates into 28, which is nothing but 8. Z, I have to give 5 chocolates out of 14 chocolates, but according to the question it is 28. So answer is 4 square into 6 cube into 8 power 4 into 10 power 5. You don't need to write that theorem as such. Logical approach. X square, there is a group of 2 students. Total how many students are there? 14 students. I need to have 2 students out of 14 students out of total 28 students. You can consider power as a chocolates, biscuits, number of students, number of boys, number of girls, anything, some point of reference. So x is, I have to give 2 chocolates out of 14 chocolates. What is these 2? 2 is the power of these x. What is these 14? 14 is the sum of the powers. What is these 28? It is given in the question. This is method number 2. Method 2 is a condensed method of method 1. Method 2 is a derived version of method 1, where instead of using little bit of mathematical jargons, I am replacing it with a generic usage. This is method 2. Method 3. Method 3. Keep listening, keep learning, sir. Method 3. What is the example that we discussed? 1 by 2 equivalent to 2 by 4 equivalent to 3 by 6. It is also equivalent to sum of the numerators by sum of the denominators. So take x by 2 equivalent to y by 3 equivalent to z by 4 equivalent to w by 5, which is nothing but sum of the numerators by sum of the denominators. 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5, which is nothing but 28 by 14, which is nothing but 2. So x is nothing but 4, y is nothing but 6, z is nothing but 8, w is nothing but 10. So answer is 4 square into 6 cube into 8 power 4 into 10 power 5. Method 1, 2 and 3 all All they gave. Morning I said that this is not a minimum value, this is a maximum value. This is a maximum value. A power P, B power Q, C power R. This is not, right? This is not minimum value, it is a maximum value. Maximum value. If it is, that also we will discuss after some time, sir. 1 by 2. This is a maximum value. I hope the concept is clear. Next question. Method question 2. Again it is some constant product will be maximum. Product will be maximum. This is a maximum value. Now see here, sir. Solution. Solution. Method number 1. You take any method that comes into your mind. X plus y plus z equivalent to 12. But the question is x plus 1 plus y plus 2 plus z plus 3 equivalent to 6, 18. If I call this as A, if I call this as B, if I call this as C, A plus B plus C equivalent to 18. I want the maximum of A, B, C. Some constant. Product maximum when the variables are equal. A equivalent to B equivalent to C. So 3A equivalent to 18. A is nothing but 6. 6 into 6 into 6. Answer is 216. When it will be 6? When x plus 1 is 6. Y plus 2 is 6. And z plus 3 is 6. So x value will be 5. Y value will be 4. And z value will be 3. At what value of x, y, z, these expression will be maximum. So sum is constant, sum given it as x, y and z, but the product is maximum. The product for this variables is maximum only when the sum of this variables is constant. So I added 1, added 2, added 3. X plus 1 plus y plus 2 plus z plus 3 is 18. A plus B plus C is 18. Product is maximum when the sum is constant and the variables are equal. So A equivalent to 6. So answer is 6 into 6 into 6, 216 is the answer. Equate each one by 6. X plus 1 6, y plus 2 6, z plus 3 6. Method 1. Depending upon your comfort, you can take any method of your choice. Method 2. I can write it as x plus 1 by 1 equivalent to y plus 2 by 1 equivalent to z plus 3 by 1. This will become x plus 1 plus y plus 2 plus z plus 3 divided by 1 plus 1 plus 1 3. So it is x plus y plus 3 is 12, 12 plus 6 18, 18 by 3 is 6. So x plus 1 is 6, y plus 2 is 6 and z plus 3 is 6. So answer is 6 into 6 into 6. 216 is the answer. At what value? X value 5, y value 4 and z value 3. Y4 and Z3. I hope the idea is clear. You take any method because it is of the form A power P, B power Q, C power R. It is maximum when the sum of the bases is constant. X plus 1 by 1, Y plus 2 by 1, Z plus 3 by 1, 18 by 3, 6. Enrolled students, I will try to upload these videos by tonight or early tomorrow morning. Finish these maximum minima watching by tomorrow evening. Important topic. Next one. Find the minimum value of X, Y, Z. Now see here, method 1, x plus 2y plus 3z equivalent to 9. So I can use sum is given product, AM greater than or equivalent to GM. So x plus 2y plus 3z by 3 is greater than or equivalent to cubed root of 6xyz. This is nothing but 9, 9 by 3. 3 into cubed root of xyz. This is nothing but 27 greater than or equivalent to xyz. Again it is a maximum, sir. I think morning I did this question. Anyway I am doing a repeat. Now I just realized. So this is nothing but 6xyz less than or equivalent to 27. So xyz is less than or equivalent to 27 by 6. 3 9s are, 3 2s are. Answer is 9 by 2. Answer is 9 by 2. This is method 1. Method 2. A lot of good questions we are going to solve, sir, today. Method 2. Praveen, method 2. Please write down method 2. X plus 2y plus 3z. X by 1 equivalent to 2y by 1 equivalent to 3z by 3 if I take. X by 1 equivalent to 2y by 2 equivalent to 3z by 3. It is nothing but x plus 2y plus 3z by 6. So, this is nothing but these x plus 2y plus 3z is 9, 9 by 6 is 3 by 2, 9 by 6 is 3 by 2. So, what is that value? So, from this you can get x, y, z, x, y, z, x, y, z. So, x plus r you can do anyways, sir. Even if you take 1 also, it makes no difference. 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3. So, this will become, you take 1 also. So, this will become x plus 2y. This is x by 1, y by 1, 3. 9 by 3, it is 3. So, x is 3, y will become 3 by 2, z will become 1. 9 by 2. Anyway, you will get this answer. AM greater than or equivalent to GM. AM greater than or equivalent to GM. Now, next question. Next one. We are going to solve a wonderful problem today, sir. So, this is nothing but solution. You can solve it in any methods. Method 1. X by 1 equivalent to 2y by 5 equivalent to 3z by 1. So, this is nothing but x plus 2y plus 3z divided by 7. This is nothing but 63 by 7, 9. So, x is nothing but 9. 2y by 9, 5 is nothing but 9. 3z is nothing but 9. Z is nothing but 3. Or method number 2. This is method number 1. Method number 2. What you can do is, here it is x cube. So, divide x into 3 parts. X by 3, x by 3, x by 3. This is y power 5. Divide 2y into 5 parts. 2y by 5, 2y by 5 and so on up to 2y by 5. Z is 1 part, so 3z. Now apply AM greater than or equivalent to GM for this concept. So this is nothing but x plus 2y plus 3z divided by how many parts? Total 9 parts, greater than or equivalent to 9 into. This will become x cube by 3 cube into 2y by 5 power 5 into 3z. From there you will get the answer. You use any method that is possible. This is nothing but x by 3 equivalent to 2y by 5 equivalent to 3z by 1. So x plus 2y plus 3z is 63, 7. X is nothing but 27. I made a calculation mistake. 2y by 5. So y is nothing but 45 by 2. Z is nothing but 3. This is the best method compared to method 2. Method 1. How am I taking x by 3? This is x divided by the power. This is 2y divided by the power. This is 3z divided by the power. X by 3. X by 3 equivalent to 2y by 5. X by 3 equivalent to 2y by 5. Sorry, sir. X by 3 equivalent to 2y by 5 equivalent to 3z by 1. I made a mistake of x by 1. It is x by 3. I hope the idea is clear. Very easy question it is. Very easy question. Now, find the greatest value of a plus x by a minus x power 4. Method 1. Sum of the bases is constant. A plus x plus a minus x is 2a, which is constant. Sum ratio of the base to the power a plus x by 3 equivalent to a minus x by 4. So 4a plus 4x equivalent to 3a minus 3x. So these is nothing but 7x equivalent to minus a, x equivalent to minus a by 7. A minus a by 7 power 3 into a plus a by 7 power 4. This is method number 1. Method number 2, you can take any method, a plus x by 3 equivalent to a minus x by 4 equivalent to a plus x plus a minus x divided by 3 plus 4, 7. So a plus x by 3 equivalent to a minus x by 4 equivalent to 2a by 7. So a plus x directly you will get it as 6a by 7. A minus x you will get it as 8a by 7. Substitute there, you will get the answer. If you observe all these questions, method 2 seems to be very easy. It does not involve any of the formulae. Very logically you can solve. Very logically you can solve. I hope the idea is clear. A plus x by 3 equivalent to a minus x by 4 equivalent to a plus x plus a minus x by 7. Now, next one. Now I will do method number 2 only, sir. 7 minus x by 4 equivalent to 2 plus x by 5 equivalent to 7 minus x plus 2 plus x divided by 9. So 7 minus x by 4 equivalent to 2 plus x by 5 equivalent to 1. So 7 minus x is nothing but 4. 2 plus x is nothing but 5. Answer is 4 power 4 into 5 power 5. Directly, this is the maximum value. This is considered to be the best method and everything. If there are any calculation mistakes anywhere, do consider it. 1 minute, sir. I hope the idea is clear. Right? This concept is clear. Morning, there are 2 students who has asked me this doubt. Now, I'll explain this one, then I'll take up that doubt. So, this can be written as 2 into a plus 1 plus 5 into b plus 2. 10 plus 2, 12. It is nothing but 19. If I call it as x and if I call it as y, this is nothing but 2x plus 5y equivalent to 19. I require the maximum value of x square and y cube. I hope it is clear. So, this is nothing but 2x by 2 equivalent to 5 by 3 equivalent to 2x plus 5y divided by 2 plus 3, 5. So, 2x plus 5y is 19, 19 by 5. So, x is nothing but 19 by 5. X is nothing but 19 by 5. 5y is nothing but 57 by 5. So, y is nothing but, what is y value? B plus 2. Y is nothing but 57 by 25. I hope it is clear. So, answer is 19 by 5 whole square into b plus 2. B plus 2 is y. 57 by 25 whole cube. 57 by 25 whole cube. I hope the idea is clear. So, a plus 1 I called it as x, b plus 2 I called it as y. So, I just changed a to a plus 1, b to b plus 2. 2 into a plus 1 plus 5 into b plus 2, 10 plus 2, 12, 12 plus 7, 19. So, 2x plus 5y equivalent to 19, maximum of xy, y, x square, y cube, x square, y cube. So, 2x by 2 equivalent to 5y by 3, 2x plus 5y by 5, which is 19 by 5. So, x will become 19 by 5, y will become 57 by 25. I hope the idea is clear. Very important model, sir. Very important model. Now, before that one, 1 minute. One student has asked me a doubt. That doubt I will take care. Please write down 2 questions. He was going coaching somewhere, it seems. So, there was a doubt that he has asked. That doubt, let me take that doubt. Just cooperate, sir. I am not well. So, question. This is the doubt he has asked. Sir, can you please help me solving this question? Question is, in a triangle ABC, AC is 2, BC is 1. What is the minimum angle? Angle A minimum value will be. Angle A minimum value will be how much? There is a triangle ABC. There is a triangle ABC where AC is nothing but 2 and BC is nothing but 1. Find the minimum angle A will take. This is X. Now, there is a concept. We will use that concept. Suppose if I take triangle ABC, this is small c, this is small b, this is small a. If this is theta, cos theta is nothing but c square plus b square minus a square divided by 2bc. So if I apply cos angle A is x square plus 2 square minus 1 square divided by 2 into x into 2. This is nothing but x square plus 3 by 4x. This is nothing but 1 by 4 into x plus 3 by x. Are you with me? 1 by 4 into x plus 3x. Now if I apply AM greater than or equivalent to GM, so x plus 3 by x by 2 greater than or equivalent to root of x into 3 by x. So x plus 3 by x minimum value is nothing but 2 root 3. So the minimum value is nothing but 1 by 4 into 2 root 3. 1 by 4 into 2 root 3 is nothing but root 3 by 2. Cos theta is greater than or equivalent to root 3 by 2. Theta minimum will be 30 degrees. Cos theta is greater than or equivalent to root 3 by 2. Theta minimum will be 30 degrees. Easy question if you know the approach of how to solve. So what I used in this question? I used cosine rule in this question. So if theta is there, if the sides connecting are B and C, opposite is A. Cos theta is B square plus C square minus A square by 2BC. Sides connecting are x and 2, opposite is 1. So cos A is x square plus 2 square minus 1 square by 2 into x into 2, which is x square plus 3 by 4x. 1 by 4 into x plus 3 by x. Variable and its reciprocal. If I have to eliminate, I can use AM greater than or equivalent to GM if they are not reciprocal to each other, but one is in numerator, another is in denominator. X plus 3 by x by 2 greater than or equivalent to x into 3 by x. X plus 3 by x minimum value is 2 root 3. So 2 root 3 divided by 4, root 3 by 2. Theta minimum is 30 degrees. Theta minimum is 30 degrees. Good question, but an easy question if you understand the logic. I hope, Gaurav, you got the answer. Next one. We are here. If ABC are positive real numbers, such that ABC is 17, find the minimum value of A plus B plus C. We already discussed. If the product is constant, if the product of the variables is constant, sum will be minimum. When the variables are equal. I will give you the proof also in case if you don't want to mug it up. So the method one is AM greater than or equivalent to GM. The proof is derived from this only. A plus B plus C divided by 3 greater than or equivalent to cubed root of ABC. So A plus B plus C is greater than or equivalent to 3 into cubed root of 17. So what is the minimum value? Minimum value is 3 into cubed root of 17. 3 into cubed root of 17. Now please listen carefully, sir. Proof for this one. What is if the product is constant, sum will be minimum and the variables are equal. AM greater than or equivalent to GM. AM is nothing but sum divided by 9. greater than or equivalent to nth root of product. Nth root of product. Am I right? Product is constant. N is number of values constant. So sum is greater than or equivalent to k. Now you tell me, sum is greater than or equivalent to k. X is greater than or equivalent to 30. What is the minimum value of x? 30. Sum is greater than or equivalent to k. What will be the sum minimum value? Sum minimum value equivalent to sign is there. When it will be minimum? When the variables are equal. I hope the concept is clear. When the product is constant, when this is constant, this is constant, sum is greater than or equivalent to k. Sum is greater than or equivalent to k. X is greater than or equivalent to 10. It will start from 10. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and so on. So minimum value will be that minimum value sum will take. When it will take? When it is equivalent to. When it will be equivalent to? When the variables are equal. When the product of the variables is constant, sum will be minimum when the variables are equal. When the product is constant, sum will be minimum when the variables are equal. I hope you got the concept. 3 into cube root of 17 or otherwise morning class we discussed solution. It is a symmetric function. A equivalent to B equivalent to C, the value will not change. Morning we discussed a lot of problems based on symmetric function. A equivalent to B equivalent to C. So A cube equivalent to 17. A is 17 power 1 by 3. So answer is 3 into 17 power 1 by 3. 3 into 17 power 1 by 3. A, B and C are equal. So this will become minimum of 3A. This will become minimum of 3A. I hope the concept is clear. Next one. If A, B, C are positive real numbers such that A square B cube C power 4 is 6, minimum value. How students will solve this question is method 1, traditional method. Then I will tell you the optimal method. Listen carefully, sir. Method 1. First listen to the traditional method. Degree of A is 2. Here it is 1. Divide into 2 parts. A by 2, A by 2. Degree of B is 1. Degree of B is 3. So B by 3, B by 3, B by 3. Plus degree of C is 1 and it is 4. C by 4, C by 4, C by 4, C by 4. It is nothing but 6. Now apply AM greater than or equivalent to GM. Listen carefully, sir. This is nothing but A plus B plus C divided by how many terms? 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 5, 9. By 9 greater than or equivalent to 9th root of. So if I multiply A square by 2 square into B cube by 3 cube, am I right? Into C power 4 by 4 power 4, am I right? These is nothing but, so what will be the answer? A plus B plus C is greater than or equivalent to 9 into 9th root of 6 divided by 2 square, 3 cube and 4 power 4, am I right? 9 into 9th root of 6 by 2 square, 3 cube and 4 power 4. This is method number 1. Directly actually you can say the answer. Now see method number 2. Totally what is the sum of the powers? 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 4 9. So number of values are 9. Because there are 9 powers, definitely 9th root I will get. What is the value that is there? 6. So assign the power to the variable. 2 square, 3 cube and 4 power 4. This is the answer we got. Again I am explaining. What is this 9? 9 is nothing but the number of or the sum of the powers, or it is nothing but the sum of the powers. 9th root we got. If total there are 9 terms are there, in geometric mean I will get 9th root. What is the value of this one? 6. Whatever power is there, assigned to that value. 2 square, 3 cube, 4 power 4. Easy 2 seconds approach it is. It is nothing but a 2 seconds approach. 9 into ninth root of 6 by 2 square 3 cube 4 power 4. Now see here, a cube b square c power 4. It is 20. Totally how many values are there? 9. 9 means I will get ninth root. Value is 20. Assign the powers to the variables. 3 cube into 2 square into 4 power 4. Try to solve it, you will get the same answer. I hope the idea is clear. Again we write down, this is nothing but the sum of the powers. Whatever it is there, it will be there. This is nothing but the value of a cube b square c power 4. Assign the powers to the, assign the power values to a, b, c. It's an easy question, sir. Assign power values to a, b and c. I will tell you one more method. Just hold on, sir. I hope this method is clear. Tell me this one. A cube 3 square c power 5 d power 5 is 27. Totally how many values are there? A cube b square c power 4 d power 5. It is 27. 5, 9, 14. So answer is 14 into 14th root of 27. Assign the power to the variable. 3 cube. Next is 2 square. Next is 4 power 5. Next is 5 power 5. Are you all with me? Right, directly you will get this answer. Directly you will get this answer. 14 is the sum of the powers. 14 into 14th root of 27 by, assign the power to the variable. So 3 cube, next is 2 square, next is 4 power 4, next is 5 power 5. Directly you will get this answer.